When our Earth was in early stage, it was hot and burning. Then it cooled down into Ice Age. Then it warmed up to form oceans. 200 million years ago, all the continents of the Earth joined together as one large supercontinent called Pangaea. Hi friends, I am Akshay. Today we are discussing about tectonic plates. This theory was made by Alfred Wegener. This Pangaea broken into pieces of many continents that we see now. This process of breaking of Pangaea into many continents and moving apart is called as continental drift. This is North American plate and South American plate, African plate, Arab, Eurasia, Indian, Pacific, Antarctica, Australia, Philippines, and so on. Before going to this tectonic theory, let us understand the layers of Earth. Earth's outermost layer, crust, which is divided into many continental plates, and they are moving constantly in its lower layer called mantle. This mantle is made of hot melted rocky layer. In detail about layers of Earth, watch the video Inside Our Earth from our channel in the description. This tectonic theory states these massive crust plates are moving in various directions and slowly 1 or 2 inches per year. When they collide or interact with each other, will make huge impact on the Earth. This impact might be a volcano, mountain ranges, drifts, or an earthquake. There are 3 types of movements of plates. Number 1. Convergent boundaries. When 2 plates are moving towards each other, these 2 plates collide, there is 2 possibilities. One is if a heavier or denser plate and lighter plate collide with each other, as shown here. A denser continental crust and lighter oceanic crust. This light oceanic plate will dive under the denser plate. In this, a subduction zone is created under the crust, that is mantle layer. This pressure makes heat and melts the upper mantle into magma. This magma enters the surface of the Earth, makes a volcano. Many volcanoes across the globe made up of convergent of oceanic and continental crusts. Example, here we see Pacific oceanic plate which converge with continental plates around it. This is called ring of fire. In the second possibility of convergent boundaries, when the 2 plates interact with each other, they might be same denser plates, making folding of crust layer towards up. If the plate movement is continuous, that makes large mountains on the Earth. Example, the range of Himalayas formed when Indian plate collided with Eurasian plate. We can see here, this is Eurasian plate and Indian plate, the Himalayas, which formed when Indian plate and Eurasian plate converged. Mount Everest, about 8,848 meters height, is still growing 1 to 2 inches every year. This convergence can also result in earthquake. Divergent boundaries. This will occur when plates are moving away from each other, which makes the wider space between them. This wider space might be a crack or rift. Example, Lebanon's Great Rift Valley. Divergence of lighter oceanic plates makes magma allowed to come out from the mantle to fill the space. This is known as sea force spreading. Example, Mid-Atlantic ridge diverged in between Eurasian, African and North-South American plates. Next, third type of movement. Transform boundaries. They slide past each other in opposite direction, which creates a crack or fault and rub each other, resulting makes pressure at interaction of point along the boundaries. This may cause place change of movement or sudden movement causes destruction on surface of the crust that mean earthquakes. Example, San Andreas Fault. These are the plate boundaries where earthquakes occur frequently. Friends, this is end of our topic. We will meet in our next class. Friends, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Give me your motivative suggestions on comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.